You're good ones. Aye. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another hike. It's a hike I didn't think was going to happen this year. I thought I was done for the year. So it's Sunday the 28th of December. I hope everybody had a nice Christmas. I know I did. Just so glad to be out today. I'm out with Dave and Paul, and we're up at Beinn An Lochain in the Arrochar Alps. It's a beautiful cold crisp morning. I was going to go for 40 minutes, so you gain height pretty quick on this mountain. So, aye, all good, all good. Good to get the house. These sort of days between Christmas and New Year just sort of blend into one. Sitting about boozing, eating crap. Yeah, it's great to be out, it's great to be out. I know I've done my 2025 recap, but who's complaining? I'm no. But weather forecast, it's to be no bad today. According to weather forecast, it's to be light winds, dry, and sunshine. We'll see. A bit of cloud there in Beinn An, but hey guys, that's us been on the go for an hour. We're just by the 500 metre mark, so we're past halfway. Really good going, steep. Path comes and goes. A bit of ice on the path, just need to watch because it is cold. When the wind is hitting us, it is cold. But yeah, so far so good. Lovely day. It's a lovely day. Oh. Oh, come look at this.
You're going to go over and you're going to buckle a set.
I know.
How much it cost to
I know.
buckle?
I lost one last week.
Hey guys, this is at Summit Beinn An Lochain. It took us 2 hours and 20 minutes. Unfortunately, we're in the clag, guys. Bloody pity we're in the clag. We've sat about, we've had our tea up here. I don't think it's going to clear, and the dugs are getting cold, so we're going to start heading down. We're actually going to do the loop. You come down off the far side and then take a left round.
Cutting the quality control, the first pair of rock lights I had. Here I've got the efficiency here.
Oh, your boots.
Are you skating?
Paddy on ice. This is back on the main path. And basically what it does is it cuts out that up there. I know it's a bit dramatic to the right hand side there, but if you really didn't want to do that, you could head along this wee path just here and come up the back end, because it's very tame. But aye, this is back on it. Brilliant. Still in the clag. It's a bloody pity that. It's a pity we're clagged in. But it's been a great day. Been a great day. See you later, bud.
Gotta go.
Fucking Dick Van Dyke.
On a different day, one you've never lived before. So with haste, go to somewhere you have never been. Lost, I wish I still was. It's a feeling that you cannot beat when your feet do not know the road, and your head must take you home.
That's us done, back at the car. 5 hours, 6 minutes, 7.5k. Cracking wee hike. Really enjoyed it. Big thanks to Dave and our Paul there, and Paddy and Amber for a cracking hike. So all the besties in the year, guys, and I'll catch you next year. Cheers.
On the angry ocean, and you see a big rogue wave coming your